Ciao Tesla people! Today a new accessory from Tesery are the mud guards here for all four wheels, front and the back. And the back has a screw underneath the body, so I have to install that. I'm going to install the left side, and the right side is the same. Basically, I took off the ones that I had because they were from the previous Model Y Performance and they didn't fit correctly. So I wanted to test this, and Tesery is sending me this to test. I have a discount code Ciao Tesla for 10% off, so check out, the link is in the description. So let's do the mounting. Here I need two of these guys, the pins, one and okay, one two, okay, this is for the front. And here in the back already unscrewed the screw. I need to do fast because I think it's coming to rain. So let's do it super fast, okay? So this one goes right here. It attaches to the right side and then to the bottom, like that, okay? And it follows the profile of the body, which is great. And there's this screw here that you have to attach on the bottom. I think it's number 10. Yeah, number 10 here. They give you actually the key here. I think it's number 10 this too. So, but I'll use this one that I have. That's much faster. Okay. I took off this screw, and it was very tight. I'm not sure why. Took forever to remove it. I mean, the installation is not difficult, but it's just a pain because there is not much space, and those pins that Tesla put on are super small and difficult to extract. So it took a bit of time to remove the ones that I had. Unfortunately, I remember it was the same thing on the previous car. So can't do anything about that. So on Tesery, there are several type of this mud guards, and they have also, for all the models, and different shape and all that. So you pick the one that you want, basically. Looks like I can screw it in. I'm not sure why. It's not holding. In the meantime, let me put the pin in so it fits correctly in the. Unfortunately, I can put only one because the other one got it broke because as I said, the ones from Tesla are super small and they're super tight, and it's difficult to. Okay, that one went in easily. Now I have to mount the screw, the drop. Okay. Okay, I think it catched. Let's do the front one in the meantime, so I don't waste time. Here I have to curve the wheel, so it's much easier to put in. This one should take a few seconds. So you can check the profile of this. They have different ones, so this was for the Juniper. So I'll see how it goes in time to see if okay, one, and put this pin in, okay, and then the second one is down there, so I needed to, that's why I steer the wheels. I mean, you see, 2 seconds to put in. Very cool. And this is the band, which is good, so if you get into the carb and stuff, it won't break because it's rubber. And this thing underneath, yeah, let's do this. Okay, I'm almost done. Okay, don't want to exaggerate it, otherwise I'll break something. Okay, so they look good. Even this one, the band. Unfortunately, I couldn't put the pin there because it broke inside and I couldn't figure out how to take it off. Maybe when I change the wheels, I can fix it, okay? But they look good. And here, I wanted to test one if it's too small, too short, or not enough, or whatever. I'll see when it gets dirty down there. And that's it. So let me put this one in the back so I can mount the other one super fast. Anyway, so the installation is not that difficult. The problem is taking out the previous ones because the pins from Tesla, they're like, much shorter than this. I can show you. Yeah. So this one, the one from Tesla, right here, and this is the one from this guy, Tesery, and it's like almost a centimeter longer. So this one, the old ones from Tesla, they won't work to put it back. And they're a bit tough to take it out because you have to put the screw inside here and it's just a pain in the ass. So, great product. I'll test and see if this one in the front is longer enough for not getting dirt on the side of the car. Okay? So, thanks to Tesery. Check out the link in the description. You can use the Ciao Tesla discount code for 10% off. So the link are there and there. Also, check out my Tesla referral. If you buy a Tesla, use my referral code. The link is in the description. And also, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share, comment, and I'll see you next video for next accessory. Okay? So, see you next time. Ciao, Tesla people.